My name's Anna. I'm the Westgate Parks officer here, standing in Tannery field at the moment. A couple of years ago, Canterbury City Council got a Heritage Lottery project. It's called the Heritage Lottery Parks for Peoples project, and they got some funding, £770,000 worth of funding, which was topped up with developer funding to about £1 million project. And one of the things was to engage people in their park. We've done that in lots of ways, by holding events, by having school groups, and our latest engagement has been through on-site interpretation. So in the next couple of weeks we've got interpretation panels going in, but one of the things that we really wanted was to have something that really was quite a wow factor and made people stop and stare. And Tannery Field is a beautiful area. We've just put in a wonderful wildflower meadow over the last 2 years. It started in 2014, but we've really been developing it. We decided that we'd like to commission a sculpture to go into Tannery Field by our wildflower meadow to make people really stop and stare and learn a little bit more about the history of the site. So we spoke to Steve to see whether this would be a possibility, and he said yes, of course, he'd give it a go and see what he can do. The idea behind the bull sculpture came about through the volunteer team in the Westgate Parks finding the Tannery Railway when we were installing the wildflower meadow in 2014. We were digging away and all of a sudden we found these 2 metal railway tracks. We spoke to Canterbury Archaeological Trust and they revealed some maps and some photographs of before the Reims Way Road was put in, of the Tannery Railway coming across into what is now known as Tannery Field, which was previously known as Slub Bank. And the railway tracks brought all the slub, so all of the waste and byproducts from the tannery over to Tannery Field so they could be put onto the ground here and disposed of. So that was a little bit about the history of the site. So we wanted to put the sculpture in to see if we can make it of railway tracks to link into that. We've had a poem written about the bull and we've had lots of the history of the site researched so we can create this bull and people can learn more about it.